Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash V R, and I have been waiting to buy a good camera for my recording because I usually do with mobile. So I bought a camera which is Nikon A900, which is Nikon A900. So I'm gonna make an unboxing of this, and before that I wanted to share you a story. So when I got this camera 2 days before, wherein it was like Sony. Actually, when I ordered for Nikon, I got a Sony camera. It was old one, I think. I don't know why they have sent this. So then later I created a replacement, asking them to send me a correct one. So now they have sent me a correct one. Today I have got the camera. So the thing is, I checked in at the time of delivery itself. So I was safe this time. So I made him wait, open the box, and then check. That's why the box is open now. So I'm gonna make this unboxing, and before that I'm gonna tell you what I have got. This is the camera. The seal is open. I have opened it to confirm whether the camera is correct. And then I've got one cable, HDMI cable, micro and HDMI cable. And I've got one Coolpix pouch. So this is the camera pouch. So the pouch is pretty good. Yeah, it's a normal basic one, not that great. Let me just keep this apart. This is the pouch which I've got. I'm gonna keep this over here, and this is the cable. And here comes the camera itself. So I'm gonna do this unboxing, guys, which is Coolpix 900. So before that, opening this or making an unboxing of the video, I request you everyone, like, first of all, I really thank you guys for helping me in reaching 35,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for your support, and I need your continuous support in my like all the videos, like in my other channel, which is Royal Legend Motorcycle Club. I know I'm not uploading, I'm not much active on that channel, but I'll surely gonna start like uploading this. And I've got a memory card. This is of let me check this. I don't know what's the capacity. Yeah, this is of 16 GB, ultra 48 MB per second. This is the memory card which I've got. So pretty good. No need to spend extra money on memory card, because this is all with my YouTube money which I bought. So it says sale only for India, and 16 GB memory card plus carry case and cable. This is what I've got. So let's open this, and I get few instruction guide and the service center details for the warranty and everything. This is warranty card. It has 2 years compatibility warranty, and this is my bill for the warranty and service. I'm going to mention the details over here, and this is the user guide, user manual. It will help me in understanding the camera better. So let me just keep this apart. As I told you, I've opened the camera in front of him, so the cover has been removed. So this is the camera. So the best thing of this is which has a flip screen, which will really help me in making videos. Like, it will be easy to make a video logging. So this is how I wanted to make. I used to depend on other my friends or anyone. So now I'll not be depending, because this has a flip screen, and it's very easy to record it. So I can just hold in this position and start recording, so I can see my face over there. And just keep this apart and show you what else I've got inside. Keep this. Here comes the camera strip, and open this. Here is the USB cable, battery and charger. Let me check it. Okay, I think this is charger, I think. Okay, it's a charger guys, not a USB cable. So we're gonna connect this and directly charge it. So easy, no need to remove your battery every now and often and put it for charge like other cameras. So Nikon battery, just insert this and turn it on. Okay, I have to put the memory card. Insert the memory card, lock this. So here comes the first impression of this. Okay, it's asking for the language, so I'm gonna do the language setting first. It's not a touch screen, it's a normal thing. Okay, it has an app. Okay, it has NFC. Okay, here you can just tap on your NFC device. And it has some serial number, camera model serial number, I think. Is it visible? Yes. And okay, I'm selecting the time zone. Okay, your date, month and year, and today's date is 27. Month is February, year is 2018. I think this is 2016 design, and I don't know this time. I have to check. Okay. It's 10:47. I could not get time at the office to make this unboxing, so it's 10. It's in 24 hours format, so I think it's almost 11 now. So 20, yeah, I set the time and it's 48 minutes. Okay, here comes the camera. We just check the lens, how big it is. Okay, it has 3 zoom lenses. I always prefer black, and the camera quality is pretty good. Let me just try to take a photo. So the camera quality is quite good. Yeah, nice, pretty decent. And the best part of this camera is it has autofocus while recording. Okay, I missed this. Here it is. It has a pop-up flash. Okay, this is decent guys, quite good. So you can use it only while night photos, and it has recording and other stuff. I'm gonna make a detailed review of this, how to use or how to connect to your mobile and other stuff. So it was just an unboxing. I just wanted to show you, and these are the stuff which I've got. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and hope this video is useful to you. So you can, while before buying, you can check. So camera, memory card, pouch, charging cable and strip, and some other warranty cards and other things. So thank you so much. Oh, I missed this cable also. So this is the quick unboxing, and that's all guys. Catch you in my next video. Till that, please do watch all my videos, help me in uploading more and more videos, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in my next videos. Till that, stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.